Hey there, bag makers. It is Melissa with Sew Yours, back at you this week with some brand new releases and Matchmaker Monday. Before we begin today, I just wanted to remind everyone that you can shop all of the supplies featured in today's video on our website at sewyours.com, or I will place a link in the description box with a collection to all the items featured today. First up, I wanted to share with you our two new vinyls. We have our Gilded Blooms in hot pink and black. These feature gold floral line work. This one's going to be absolutely stunning for the summertime because it's nice and bright and cheerful, whereas the black one's going to be perfect for evening bags. And to help you better visualize what these two vinyls look like on bags, I had one of our team members, Angie, sew up a Gaviota bag by Shambhala Bags. She used the hot pink, paired it with our cross grain vinyl in the color gold and our new hot pink cross grain vinyl. And for the lining, she chose our hot pink waterproof canvas. We'll be looking at this bag a little bit closer in just a moment. And to showcase the black, I drafted a quick, simple crossbody bag pattern right here to feature the black and gold with our black milled grain faux leather. And for the lining, I chose our gold waterproof canvas. For our customers sewing on a domestic sewing machine, you're going to love sewing with Gilded Blooms, as it is a mere 0.6 millimeters in thickness. Also new this week, we brought in 4 brand new LinerTex prints for you. These are going to work great for all of your neutral handbags and really brighten up the lining. If you're not familiar with our LinerTex, it is a water-resistant bonded nylon fabric, which is great for bag linings. Water just beads up and rolls right off, but our customers also love our LinerTex for the exterior of handbags. Let's switch over to the overhead camera so we can take a closer look at all of the new arrivals. First up, we are going to look at Angie's bag, which she made in the Gilded Blooms hot pink color. Paired that with our cross grain vinyl in gold and our newest addition, which is our hot pink color. She did use our Text 45 thread in hot pink for all of her top stitching. Now, if you would prefer to have a matching or a coordinated thread for the gold top stitching, then you can go with our Buttercup. That matches perfectly, and I'll show you that in just a moment. For both the hot pink and the black Gilded Blooms, I would recommend gold hardware. That's kind of a given. No other option's really going to look good here because we want to play off the gold line work in the blooms. Speaking about hardware, these strap connectors are from Angie's personal stash. We do not carry these on the website, but all other hardware found on the bag is on our website at sewyours.com. Here in the top of the bag, she used our hot pink zipper tape in the gold coil. She used our flower zipper pull, which is perfect. It plays off that line work that's in the Gilded Blooms prints. And for the lining, she went with our hot pink waterproof canvas. Nice, bright, bold, and colorful handbag for the summertime. Here is a look at the back of the bag. And there's that hot pink zipper tape again. And she went with the hot pink cross grain for the bottom. Here's a look at all those materials laid out that we just went over. The hot pink in the Text 45 or the Buttercup in Text 45 or Text 70. And here's a look at that color stitch on top of the gold cross grain vinyl. We've got our gold hardware here. This is our 1-inch wide purse chain extenders that are exclusive to Sew Yours that I designed. And if you wanted another alternative for a coordinating exterior, this is our newer addition as well. This is our micro pebble faux leather in the color gold. That's also going to work perfectly with the Buttercup thread if you wanted that. And just like Angie used in her lining, our hot pink waterproof canvas is going to be the best match here for this combination of fabrics. Next up is my bag with the Gilded Blooms in the black and light gold hardware, milled grain faux leather in the color black. Went with the black on the back. For my zipper, I went with our black with the light gold coil. And for my lining, I went with our waterproof canvas in the color gold. Now let's take a closer look at the supplies that I used on my bag. So obviously right here is the Gilded Blooms in the black. If you wanted to do a gold with that, you could go with the cross grain in gold. Light gold hardware. The black zipper tape with the light gold. You can go with our black Text 45 or Text 70 thread for the top stitching against the black or the Gilded Blooms in black. If you want a top stitch on top of the gold, do the Buttercup. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the two golds that we carry, the micro pebble or the cross grain. So you could use either of those to pair up with the Gilded Blooms if you wanted the gold. And here is a look at the cross grain removed and just the micro pebble. You can shop both of these colorways in the Gilded Blooms vinyl on our website at sewyours.com, in addition to all the other supplies that I showed you in today's video. Now we're going to switch over to our new releases in our LinerTex prints. Here are the 3 out of the 4 brand new LinerTex prints that we just released on our website. This is our vine collection. This is a micro scaled vine. So this is a 7-inch ruler, and I've got a quarter here, so that gives you an idea of the scale of this print. So it's relatively small. The background of this print on all 3 colorways is a soft ivory color, so it's not a bright white. And we have our midnight vine. This is a navy. We have our moss vine, which is a nice medium to dark green. And we have our driftwood vine, which is a nice dark brown color. I designed each of these vine prints to coordinate with our milled grain faux leathers in navy, olive, and chocolate. These 3 colorways are also going to work well with our Harrison suede, which is these 2 right here, in navy and army. While the army isn't a perfect match, it's a little bit of a different tone. For our lining, it's definitely going to work here still. And here is our Savannah suede in chocolate. And let me just pop on our Savannah suede in navy so you can see that as well. I really like that combo. And our last new release that I have for you this week is our brand new LinerTex print called Inked Botanicals. This is a classic black and white. I know how you guys love our black and white prints. And for context as far as scale, here's the comparison on the Midnight Vine next to the Inked Botanicals. So you can see it's a little bit bigger in scale. And I'll pop on the ruler and the quarter. That way you get an idea of the scale of this particular print. Inked Botanical is going to look great as a lining inside of a bag that is done in any kind of black. So we've got our Harrison suede in black and our milled grain faux leather in black. And to complete the look, I would recommend either nickel or gunmetal hardware. We've got the zipper tape in black with the nickel and the gunmetal, or Tex 45 or Tex 70 in the color black. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found something to inspire your next bag making project. You can shop all of the supplies featured in today's video on our website at sewyours.com, or check out the link in the description box below where I will link all of these items for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next Matchmaker Monday.